Yo! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ash, all that Ash, you know what I'm saying? Are these beanies cute? Isn't it adorable? Ah, I freaking love it. Yes. Okay, so the beanie obviously inspired today's look. My honey got excited with me. Oh! So yeah, I absolutely adore this. Wanted to do a little bit of pink, wanted to do a little bit of purple, and then I had this MAC freaking pigment, this MAC glitter. It was calling my name, okay? If you do want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe below, okay? We've already been through this. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, you know, give your girl some love. More videos coming. I think next color I'm gonna do is orange. Yeah! My son's so excited. Yeah! All right, you guys, let's get on to this makeup. All right, so my brows are already done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloss on. This is cherry flavored from NK Makeup. I just got it at a beauty supply store. Next, I'll be using primer. This is Maybelline's Master Prime. It's the Blur and Illuminate primer. So I'm gonna just put this all over my skin. It's kind of glowy. I like it. And it felt really good on my face. So I'm just using kind of like a dense brush to just apply that. I'm going to smooth it all over my face. And then I'm going to put a little bit over my eyes. And then this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color orange. I'm going to color correct with this. So I'm going to just cover all of my dark spots. And I mean, you can go overboard and kind of like cover a lot more, but I'm fine with just this. I'm using this tiny little sponge. It was all right. I feel like if I had longer nails that it would be really hard to use this, but for the most part it was blending really well. It absorbs a lot of product, so that's the only negative I would say about this. But yeah, I think this is a Real Techniques mini beauty blender. I'm gonna just keep blending that out. All right, so next I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I totally forgot to blend that out, so I kind of just rubbed it out a little bit. But I'm going to use this to just set all of the orange that I just put on my face from color correcting. So when I put my foundation on, this isn't going to just move if I, you know, move my foundation around too much, or, you know what I'm saying? It's not going to slide all over the place. It's going to stay put. This is the Rose Water from Wet n Wild. It's a 3-in-1, so you could prime with it. You could refresh your face. That is the True Match Lumi Foundation in N78, so that's neutral 7-8. I'm going to just put this all over my face. And that's a Sonia Kashuk beauty blender. It's bomb. It's huge. You guys see how like giant it is? I love how fluffy it is. It actually helps blend out your foundation really well, and it doesn't absorb a whole lot of product. So I absolutely adore this. Really soft and comfortable on the face. So now that I've blended that out, I'm going to use concealer. This is my holy grail. It is Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. I'm probably going to go get another one of these. I'm going to blend this out, but I think I'm going to go just a little bit lighter. But I definitely like that it just blends in, so I don't like too much of a highlighted effect. But just maybe one shade. I could change it up. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to just blend that all out around my nose, on my eyelids and everything. Make sure everything is seamless. And then the other side of this beauty blender has foundation on it. So I'm going to kind of use this whole sponge to just blend it out. Next is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the foundation stick in the color Earth. So this was the darkest one that I could find. I'm gonna just contour my nose, under my lip, my forehead, my cheekbones, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Like I'm telling you guys, this sponge is bomb. I got it at Target. I don't remember how much it was, sorry. But yeah, we're gonna just keep on blending. Blend your life away, girls. Ladies, gentlemen, blend away. So yeah, once you're satisfied with blending, which obviously I wasn't, then I'm gonna move on to underneath my lip. And then I'm gonna do my nose. I've just started contouring my nose. It's kind of cute, I dig it, but I mean, I don't know. I feel like I could go without it. It just depends on how I feel. This is the Black Radiance Banana Powder. I'm gonna just set my under eyes. Oh, and I blended out underneath before I set my eyes, just so that way there's no creases for the powder and everything to set into. A lot more seamless. And you literally want to set everything that you concealed. So all around my nose, I'm gonna go down my nose a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my upper lip and my chin. Now, I'm gonna set my entire face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. And I'm gonna just tap the powder all over my face to just kind of get it into my skin. And then now, I'm gonna just set my entire face. Make sure you get everywhere. You do not need your makeup slipping or going anywhere all day. Yep, down your neck, everywhere. All right, now I'll be contouring. This is the Powder Bronzer by Anastasia in Mahogany. I freaking love this, you guys. Like, I am so in love with this shade. Like, it blends like a dream. So I'm gonna just go over all the places that I had cream contoured. So that's around my forehead, my cheekbones. I'm gonna lightly dust along my nose because I don't want it to be harsh, and then underneath my lip. And then I'm really, really wanting to get that into my hairline. So you guys don't forget, don't do everything but your hairline. And then this is the blush and bronzer book from Profusion Cosmetics. I got this from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx has some cute stuff, you guys, and it is for the budget. This is ColourPop. It's called Parasol. This is one of their shock highlighters. Dude, it is so freaking gorgeous. Like, I don't know the last time I used this, but I was like, damn, it feels so good. It's so creamy. You don't have to fight with it to get it on, but definitely like build it up. Don't slap it on right away because it might not be for you to just be so highlighted to the gods. Gorgeous. And then of course, I started using my finger just so I can have that huge highlight on my nose, my Cupid's bow. Now I'm gonna set with that rose water. I told you guys it was a 3-in-1, so you can refresh your skin. You could use it as a base and everything. Now this is the NYX Warm Neutrals palette. I'm gonna just use that as a transition shade, that light brown. They don't have names, guys, so sorry. I'm gonna set my eyelids. Or, sorry, set this as a base, use this as a base, transition shade. Next, I'll be taking that darker reddish brown. Now I'm gonna just work that into the crease. And then, of course, like I said, it's just keep blending. The more you blend, the more airbrushed effect you're gonna get. And then always know that you can go back and build up the actual pigmentation. Next is Urban Decay's Electric palette. I'm going to take that hot pink and then just put that on my lid. I'm going to concentrate that on my actual eyelid itself. Don't work it into the crease or anything. Just get it all over your lid. Oh, it looks so freaking cute already. I love pink, you guys. And if you're a morenita like me, a little dark skin honey, then yes, this pink is going to look bomb on you. It's going to look beautiful on everybody. But it definitely pops on my dark skin, honey. Yes. So just pack that color on. You really, really, really want to pack it on. Next, I'm going to go back in with that reddish brown shade, and then now I'm going to blend that into the pink and up into my crease. I love how it like kind of turns orange. I think that was my favorite part, is it was like pink into orange into like gold underneath my brows. Yes, honey. So just blend to your satisfaction. And then of course, you know, we want to keep that pigment, so we're just going to go back a little bit, not too high. Next, I'll be taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Mascara. I'm just prime my lashes before I use actual mascara. And I love this because I feel like it puts that barrier between your actual lashes and the mascara. So I like it. I feel like it makes a difference. It really grabs the mascara better. This is the Milani mascara. It's just in the color black. I got this, I believe it was in like some kind of a box. I don't remember which one, sorry, but you could get it at the drugstore. Yes, honey, back with that highlighter. I like to match my highlights, so I'm gonna just put that underneath my brow. So this is from Ulta, the Ardell Lash Book. Love these lashes. They're the Wispies 113. Super cute. And then of course, to blend them in with my natural lashes, more mascara. All right, now some white eyeliner. We're gonna just put that into the waterline. This is also from that beauty supply store. Super creamy. I think I'm gonna go buy like 100 more of these pencils. And then I'm gonna use that glittery purple, sorry. And then I'm gonna just cover that white in my waterline. So it's up to you. You can pull your lid down a little, or not your lid. You can just pull your eye down a little bit. I don't really know how to word that, I'm sorry. Or you can just kind of do like I'm doing and just kind of freehanding it. I end up pulling down my eye in a little bit just to kind of get a little more. And then I also got a little bit of mascara on my cheek right there. But as long as it's dry, then I'll be able to get it off with this Q-tip right here. So this is the glitter adhesive from Anastasia Beverly Hills and the MAC glitter. This is like pink holographic glitter. I love it, dude. This is so freaking cute. There's pinks and like purples in it. So that's why I ended up going with pink and purple. And I just love how it makes your eye pop. Like, isn't that freaking gorgeous? You guys, I live. And then, of course, back in with the highlighter one more time to do the inner corners. Gotta bring the eye to life. Pull it together, yes. Ooh, purple lip liner. Like, this is so cute, you guys. I live for purple. Green and purple are my favorite, but pink is growing. It's growing on me. So once I'm satisfied with my lip liner, I'm going to be taking the Sugar Pill lipstick, liquid lipstick. This is in the color Spank. It's so freaking cute. Yeah, so I'm going to just fill my lips with purple. And then I'm going to check it out and see how I like it. Yes, and then back with that electric palette, I'm going to do the same purple I did on the inner eyes. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love it, of course. Got a little bit of the glitter and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So let me know what you think in the comments. I love it. I live, period, point blank. And my beanies, shout out to Riley Flack. Shout out to my girl Crystal for doing these beanies. I freaking love it. I have a few other ones and they're all different colors, so I want to like match the lipstick. So today was purple. Show your girl some love. Let me know what you think. All right, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of the family. There's more videos coming. I post every week. If you don't already like my Facebook page, go to AllThatAsh on Facebook and go ahead and give me a like, boo, or you can follow, however you decide. Other than that, give me a like. Go ahead and like this video if you did enjoy it. If you want to try this look, you know what I'm saying? At me, tag me, whatever. So thanks for spending time with me, guys. Love you. Catch you in my next video.